Hello and welcome back. Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. When I tuned in this week to ask about the message, the Galactics spoke about the dark night of the soul as a way of describing the ascension process we're going through at this time. They certainly gave me a lot to think about and a new perspective. I hope it resonates and encourages you as well. Again, thank you for watching the videos. Share, like, and subscribe. It really helps to get the messages out. They said, the experience of the dark night of the soul is a period of choosing, purifying, and the stripping away of that which is held but is no longer useful on the evolutionary path of the personality. Some experience it as a battle between the forces of dark and light, while others experience an intense shifting in their worldview with respect to how the universe is organized and their placement within it. The dark night can be initiated by the soul as an awakening measure to jumpstart the individual's task for this life. This often results in shocking events that completely turn life upside down. It can also be invoked when the personality sincerely and deeply calls for spiritual evolution and a grand change from their current circumstances. The length can be one night or 1,000 nights or more, with timing determined by the grip of darkness within versus the will to embrace the light. The soul and the personality each have their own role to play, and the duration of the night can expand or contract as the two dance with one another in this transformative energy. It is an opportunity for enlightenment, and most often this is the result. A new level of consciousness emerges, new directions, new purpose, and a new awakening of inherent spiritual gifts come to the fore. Humanity is now in the midst of its own dark night of the soul. The spirit Gaia called out for a grand awakening, and the call was answered by Creator Source. She was supported in this call by humanity and all those desiring to evolve and claim their birthright as a spark of God, Creator Source. The ascension path was initiated and has been unfolding in the most harmless way possible. All positive, high-frequency beings in the universe answered Gaia's clarion call. They are here to share their loving presence and healing light energy, which is available to all humanity for the asking. Ask for their purest healing light frequency to be directed to your being, and it will be. It is their service to the planet and humanity. As humanity navigates its dark night, we wish to remind you that light, love, and compassion cuts through the dark and exposes those in low, negative frequency who are seeking to maintain their hold on the world. Every human is given the choice, and every experience, singularly and collectively, flows from that choice. Gaia has chosen to transform and is surely moving toward her enlightenment. She will arrive along with all those who choose to heal the darkness within them and ascend with her. Her movement is steady and the path assured. Again, we remind you, brilliant light, expanded abilities, and greater love for all is realized once you emerge from this night. The new earth will emerge as the night is released and the light is fully embraced. The purification of the timeline is taking place, and this must be accomplished in alignment with divine order. Engage your will and proceed forward, knowing that all is moving as it should. Go within and call upon your higher self soul for guidance. Connect with other kindred souls for community and support. Dawn is on the horizon and change is coming. Well, there you have it for this week. I hope you have a blessed and wonderful week, And of course, as always, I wish you many, many blessings.